What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, coming at you all on a brisk 40-degree Saturday morning here in Florida. Next year, I'm going to spend the winter in Florida. Oh, wait, I'm in Florida. Yeah, it's pretty brisk out this morning for what we think, but the good news is, as you can see behind me, it's sunny, so it's going to warm up pretty fast. I'm on my way to yet another car show, and of course, behind me, I'm going to take my new EcoBoost Mustang. That's right, I swapped out the deck lid finally. I mentioned that like a long time ago. I bought an EcoBoost deck lid for this car because the factory GT one had a crack in it. So, and the good news is I actually found a guy who is willing to take my GT one because it has the crack. So I can basically, instead of throwing it away, I can actually get some use out of it. So the bad news is I accidentally put a few little dings in the car. So if anybody knows a good PDR guy in Tampa, let me know, or Tampa Bay area. Don't use a screwdriver to replace the deck lid. I learned that the hard way. Also destroyed the pigtail that connects the backup camera. So actually right now I don't have a backup camera on the car. So, yeah, it's kind of annoying. So, I'm actually going to head over to Wesley Chapel High School again. And y'all might remember a year ago I went to this meet with this car and I kind of made a big upset on the dyno. Come to find out, a stock GT basically makes as much power as a Shelby GT350, and everybody declared shenanigans. And so my car I've not done any power mods, so I don't think I'm going to be putting on the dyno again. I might, I don't know. I might just let someone else that actually has hope of making some big power go on the dyno. But in which case, my car is filthy dirty. I didn't have time to wash it. Welcome to work. The working man's schedule. So, that being said, I'm actually going to stop by a touchless car wash first and get the car washed, then I'll head over. So I'll be a few minutes late, but oh well. Alright guys, I made it. I'm here, I'm about to go register my car for the car show, even though I know I'm not going to win, but still. They're playing copyright music, so that's why I have to do this inside the car. It is reasonably cleaner due to the touchless car wash. That's actually one of the beauties of a ceramic coating, is you can do that. You know, just pull it through a touchless. It won't be perfect, but you know what? It's a lot cleaner than it was. No more pollen and junk. Either way, I guess I forgot to mention in the intro, yes, my girlfriend is not with me today. She is working. And unfortunately, on the way here, I got a... Let's see if it shows up. I got a low tire pressure light. Now currently on all 4 tires. So hopefully it's just that, it's low tire pressure, because last thing I want is more bad things to happen with the car. Not having a backup camera, I thought I could live without it, is going to throw me off until I fix it. But I'm going to go register my car, and then I'm going to get started on all of the cinematic clips. See you all in a little bit. gracefully doing it while holding the camera, and that's never easy. Alright guys, made it back to the car here. So yeah, unfortunately it just doesn't look like I'm going to have time to put my car on the dyno due to the fact that it's a pretty long list. It's 1 o'clock currently, the show's supposed to end at 2. And there's a lot of more cars, and I think I'd just rather let somebody who actually has hope of making some real high horsepower actually make it. Not like my car where, you know, still stock making 400 and whatever. So yes, I'm about to head home, grab some lunch and relax and edit this video. But overall, it was still a pretty awesome car show. Got a lot of amazing classics, some modern cars. They said it was definitely bigger this year than it was last year. I would love to have gone on the dyno and done like I did last year, but unfortunately it's just too crazy. Yeah, this is a pretty awesome car show, and I really hope they continue to do this year after year. Hopefully maybe they might, you know, extend the hours to really make that dyno happen a lot more. I know I couldn't get you all more on audio just because they are playing copyright music and I don't want to get demonetized here. But overall, it was pretty awesome. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about all of this and what car was your favorite, because there were a lot of awesome cars to choose from. Hopefully you all enjoyed me trying out my new 24mm prime lens. That was something I wanted to test out. So let me know what you think about that. As always, my Instagram is in the first link below because I will be posting pictures of these cars on Instagram. Hopefully you all can see that. If you're not following me there, go ahead and check that out. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. I know I don't post as much as I keep saying I want to, but grad school keeps me nice and busy. But anyway, take care, have a good day.